Hey there, geeks. Tim with MajorGeeks.com. Today we're going to show you how to find the serial number of your Windows PC, one way or the other. Obviously, the most common way is to find the sticker. It could be on your desktop on the side, on the back. On a laptop, it's usually going to be underneath. Flip your laptop over, and in some cases, remove the battery and look for a sticker in there. So, and the same with the desktop, it could actually be inside, which most of the time it's not. It's typically on the side, but there's exceptions, always exceptions. Another neat way is the command prompt or the PowerShell. Let me show you here. Windows key plus X for Windows 10 will get you to PowerShell. And you just type in either one of these lines. It should not matter, they're both the same thing. And I'm in virtual machine, but that's a serial number. Otherwise you would see more like whatever your actual serial number is. A little neater than what you just saw with me. So command prompt, you can type CMD. If you have an older version of Windows 7, 8, you can find command prompt start settings. It's in there. Click on command prompt, and again they have slightly different lines. And it's probably going to give me my virtual machine number again. Yeah, you can see it's the same one every time. So there you go. Pretty neat. Now another way is to go to your Microsoft account if you have one. So here's a link right here. You can type it in if you like. account.microsoft.com/devices. And you're going to need to log in. And see if I did it right. There you go. And there's our devices. So you can click on your devices. And obviously that's where I'm at now. But once you get in there, you can look at your devices. You can actually manage your devices. There's your info and support. And here's my serial number. There you go. So don't forget while you're here, it doesn't hurt to take a look at any devices you have in case you have devices in here that you no longer actually have connected as long as you're here. So here are all of mine. This one in my virtual machine, my desktop I have now. There you go. Piece of cake, right? Now the BIOS is a little trickier. I don't really have any way to show you that here easily. But if you're going to use BIOS, you might as well do the command prompt or PowerShell because it's basically the same thing. So you boot into your BIOS, you're going to have to look into whether you press the F2, F10, F12 delete key to bring it into your BIOS. And honestly, it shouldn't be that hard to find. There should be some sort of main or system information that will give you that, but either way. And as always, down the similar links, if you want to check these out, we got some neat ways to find your Windows key and different stuff like that. Checking your BIOS version, pretty neat. But as you can see, it's pretty easy to do to find the serial number of your Windows PC. Bottom right corner, click subscribe, please. Yeah, I know I hate doing that. Thanks for watching. As always, see ya.